Hey guys, I'm Ashley and welcome back to my channel Fankara. So for today's video, I'm going to unbox and review these handmade paints from Luminosa Colors. So I'm going to give you some details about the brand first, their pricing and how it all started. Then I'll move on to the pros and cons, and then we'll move on to the swatches and a mini demo. So if you want to move on to the swatches directly, I'll mention the timestamp below in the description box, so do check that out. Now without any further delay, let's get into the review. So Luminosa Colors is a homegrown brand started by Anshum and sister Tanisha. So they launched this brand mid-July and I was literally so excited to try them all out. They prepare these paints all by themselves. They use pigments and organic binders for this and nothing else. So that's really great. And they have 27 metallic shades and 13 matte shades as of now. So now I'll unbox these paint for you guys. Not unbox to be exact. I've already used these paint quite a lot, and if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen that I've made quite a lot of paintings and put in my stories as well as posted it. So do check that out. So now coming to the packaging, it comes in like a bag like so, which I think is really cute. So I ordered like 11 shades from them and got 3 as freebies. So that's really great. They also have a lot of flash sale going on almost every day, so do visit their Instagram and check it out. So these are basically all the dot cards which I ordered. So these dot cards come in a packaging like so. It has this plastic packaging which is like really easy to store and everything. So these dot cards retail for ₹99 each, which is I think really good. And the half pants, if I'm not wrong, retail for ₹299 each. I'm not sure, I just mentioned that in the description box. So now coming to the pros and cons. Pro number 1, these colors are very pigmented and like really smooth to use. Number 2, they have this huge range of colors which I think is really great. Like as a new brand, they have a lot of shades already and they're already working upon some new shade ranges. Pro number 3, they offer dot cards, which are basically trial packs of paints, and which I think is a really great idea and great option if you do not want to spend a lot on the actual pans and try the paints out first, because these are comparatively more cheaper, and then you can just go ahead with your favorite shades and buy the pans of the actual color which you like. Now coming to the cons, I don't really think they have any con apart from like you really have to mix them with water like properly so that the pigments come out really well. Apart from that, I would highly recommend you to buy these colors. Now let's move on to the swatches.
So these are all the shades which I ordered. I ordered a total of 8 metallics and 3 opaque colors, and I got 3 as freebies. I'm going to swatch all the shades now. I'll swatch it on both black and the white sheet to show you how it looks on both the papers. I'll start with the metallics first and then move on to the mattes. The first shade is Magic. It's a beautiful blue shade with a purple undertone. So you just have to put 2-3 drops of water on it and mix it really well, and then it'll be good to paint. As you can see, I'm mixing it really well so that the pigments show on the paper really nicely. You can see it's a beautiful color with purple undertone, which basically means that when you use this paint on a black sheet, it'll look blue with a hint of purple, and when you use it on the white portion, it'll look more of a purple rather than blue. Moving on to the next color, it's called Midnight Blue. It's a beautiful bright shimmery blue color. I'll now just take all the colors and put the droplets on them first, so that by the time I reach onto the colors, they're already kind of wet, which will make it easy to use. The next color is Child's Dream. It's a beautiful light purple color. The next color is called Sultry. It's a bright pink metallic shade. The next color is called Peachy Blush. Again, this color is a bright orange metallic shade with a hint of maroon to it, which means it look kind of a mixture of maroon and orange on black sheet and just orange on the white portion. The next color is Share. It's a beautiful oxblood red color. Just look at that shine. It's one of my favorites. The next color which I ordered was Marina. So it's a beautiful green color. So it's kind of a sea green color with a hint of sap green. So on the black portion it will look sea green, and on the white portion it will look like sap green. The next color is Ariel. I got it as a free gift. So this is a dark green color, I would say, darker than Marina, and this is again one of my favorites. Next comes Indian Gold. Now this color has to be on the top of my list. I just love this color and I just cannot explain how beautiful this looks. Like, it looks even more beautiful in real life. Now moving on to the two Phantom shades, I have Phantom Pink and Phantom Green. Starting with Phantom Pink. So basically this will show on the black portion. As you can see, it's just a transparent color with hints of pink in it, and on the white portion you can't really see how it looks. I'll try to add a clip later on in this video. This is Phantom Green, again a transparent color with hint of green in it. Now that's all for the metallic shades. Now moving on to the mattes. The first shade I ordered was Opera. It's a beautiful bright pink color. As you can see, this is just so pigmented. The next color is called Ultramarine Purple. It's a beautiful bright purple color. And the last color is called Chlorophyll. It's a light green color, basically parrot green color, I would say. That's it for the swatches. Those were all the colors which I got from Luminosa Colors. Also, here's a closer look at Phantom Green and Phantom Pink and how it looks on the white portion. Now I'll show you a mini tutorial on how to make a floral wreath using these matte shades. Taking Opera Pink first, I'm just making some random loose florals. By the way, I'm using Bruce Rose 300 GSM 25% cotton sheet. I'll be using some ultramarine purple for making some leaves. Now using some green, again making some more leaves. As you can see how bright and pigmented this painting looks. I'll be making a bookmark using the metallic shades. So I'll be using these metallic shades for that. I'll start with making roses. For that I'm using this midnight blue color. You can see how gorgeous this looks, and once it dries it looks even more pigmented and shiny. I think I'll be using peachy blush color for making some buds. So I'm done with the painting, and as you can see how bright and shiny this looks. These are some of the other paintings which I made. It's a floral painting, a galaxy painting which I made using the mats. I've made this one using Share Marina and peachy blush on a white sheet, and this looks even more beautiful in sunlight. This is one of the first paintings I made using these colors. This is again a floral wreath on a black sheet using the metallic shades. I've written magic using the color magic, which stands true to its name. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys found the review helpful, and if you did, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.